Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Yellow color. We color it very carefully. Wow! It's so beautiful. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.